y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marissa Ray. Thank you for tuning in today. I certainly appreciate it. First and foremost, I want to give a huge shout out to all the healthcare providers and essential workers as a whole who have stuck it through and thugged it out during this whole COVID-19 situation, quarantine, all of that stuff. You guys literally, it's amazing what y'all do for people without even realizing it, and how much of an impact that you all have just by working and being an essential worker during this crazy time. How much that means to people. So shout out to y'all, the healthcare providers, essential workers, grocery stores, all of that, gas stations, all of that. Thank y'all so much for being, you know, just doing what you have to do for people who are in need at this time. God certainly watches over his people. With all that being said, let's get into what today's video will be about. So I know I haven't posted in a long time. Well, to me, a long time is like 2 weeks, a week and a half, and it's been almost a full 2 weeks, and I really do apologize for that because things happen, you know, life happens. I kind of got kicked off of my horse a little bit because I was at like a halt with my hair. I'm like, okay, what, you know, I didn't know what to do. I just didn't know what to do with my hair. So here we are today, and I've done a wash and go. This is maybe like a 5-day-old wash and go, 4 or 5-day-old wash and go, something like that. And I just decided to come to y'all with 4 different natural hairstyles that I think would be super cute to rock during the summer, year round, whatever time of the year. So what you're gonna need is, I have some Eco Styler gel. You don't have to use Eco Styler gel, but I personally like Eco Styler gel. This is the coconut oil one. And I have a bag full of scrunchies, as y'all can see, and then bobby pins, which are down here at the bottom. So you might need bobby pins, might need scrunchies, and cute scrunchies too for a little cute style. And these little cute decorative clips, these are like pearls. I got these from Target. They were probably just a couple of dollars. Super cute, I like those. And then some type of utensil or brush that you're gonna use to slick down your edges. If you don't like to do your edges, don't have to, but I like to do mine sometimes, so I got that. And my handy dandy pick, honey, because I like volume. I like volume, so. Okay y'all, so this is hairstyle number 1. Very simple. All I did was pin back or twist back my front little part, just a couple of pieces, and then added these 2 little barrette thingies here. and laid down a little bit of my edges, not too much, but this is how it looks. I just love that my hair is pulled out of my face and, you know, got the little curly stews up at the top here. I think it's just super cute and super simple. So here is style number 1. Alright y'all, so this is style number 2. Very simple, just 2 little buns in the front. You can use your gel to slick up your edges and all that, and then just pick out the back so that it looks all nice and fluffy, okay, and cute. This one's a little bit probably childish, but I think it's still cute. Let me know down in the comments what y'all think, you know, let me know. Alright y'all, this is style number 3, and this is one of my personal faves because I always like a look where, you know, like I got a little swoop going on in the front. Okay, I just think it always looks so freaking pretty. So that's what we got. And if you want to be a little fancy, all I did was like pull it to the side and pin them, you know, basically in the back of my ear or the behind my neck. Got a little swoop going on or whatever. If you want to be a little fancy schmancy, okay, add you a little cute barrette to the side, like say here, just to give it a little bit of a oomph. It doesn't really do much, you feel me, but because you probably low-key can't really see it too much, but from the side somebody can probably see it, you know what I'm saying? But I just think it's super, super adorable. I love this hairstyle. I just always love a little swoop in the front. I just think it looks so cute. Very easy. No biggie. You know, anybody can do it, okay? Cute. Alright y'all, so this is style number 4, my final style for today. Very easy transition from 3 to 4, as y'all can see. Literally, I kept my same swoop and my same bobby pins right here, and I just put my hair in one big poof to the back, as y'all can see. Looks super pretty. Very easy. And again, with this one, if you want to add a little pizzazz, honey, get you a little fancy cute clip and tuck that somewhere. I'm gonna tuck mine right there. Boom. And I don't mind that my hair is like fluffy up here. If you want to, you can make this slicker by adding water. Spray your hair with water first, and then you know, put your little stuff down on your hair. But for me, I like my little natural state, so just add a tad bit of gel. You know, let my hair do what it do. So that's all I have for today's fun video. I think this was super fun. Thank you to the person who suggested me to do a hairstyles video, because I did enjoy this, because it kind of helped me to get back into my creativity with my hair instead of just wearing it in the same way all the time. So yeah, but with all that being said, I hope you guys really did enjoy today's video. Let me know what else y'all would like to see from me down in the comments. Also, let me know what your favorite hairstyle was, okay? 1, 2, 3, or 4. Me personally, 3 and 4 are my favorites. 1 was cute too. 2 was pretty cute, a little childish, but it was cute. But 3 and 4 is my favorites. So let me know what y'all think, you know? What's poppin', what's good. Stay safe, stay clean, be happy, healthy, and humble, okay? That's all I got. Catch me in my next video.